Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to kern inside a single character, not inside text, which you might all know, but inside a single character. In this episode, I'll be helping you to deal with bad kerning, especially when you're dealing with large text. In this composition, if you look at our ones and zeros, they are well spaced out between the characters, but the percentage sign has quite some gaping spaces. We'll be moving from this to this, whereby our percentage sign spaces are nice and tight. In our final series, we will be embossing our text to this kind of effect. Let us switch to a composition in progress. If you are to kern this text, you do it manually. Pick the text tool by pressing T, click in between the characters, hold on Alt, Option on Mark, place the left arrow. This technique works well on ones and zeros, but it wouldn't work on a percentage sign. To kern the percentage sign, we need to convert our text into shape layer. Let me show you how that is done. Click on our text layer to make it active. Go to Type, Convert to Shape. Pick the Pause Selection tool. Click outside the text to deselect it. Mark key on the 1 and 2 zeros. Scoot the text to the light by holding Shift and pressing the light arrow 4 times. Click outside the text to deselect it. Mark key on the 1 and 0. Hold Shift, press the light arrow 3 times. Mark key on 1. Scoot it to the right by pressing the light arrow 5 times. Hold on Shift, press the light arrow 5 times. Let us work on the percentage sign. First, we need to separate it into individual pieces. Pick the direct selection tool. Hold Alt and click in the inside edge of the small zero at the bottom. Shift Alt on the outer edge of the zero. Click especially where you find a point. Shift Alt on the forward slash. Go to Edit, Cut, Control X, Command X on Mark. Let us paste. Control V, Command V in Mark. Let's now separate the forward slash and the zero. Click outside the text to deselect it. Pick the direct selection tool. Alt click on the inside edge of the zero. Shift Alt on the outer edge of the zero. Go to Edit, Cut, Control V, Command V to paste. Pick the Pause Selection tool. Click on the forward slash. Shift click on the zero to add to the selection. Scoot the 2 to the left. Hold Shift. Place the left arrow 5 times. Click also the text to deselect it. Click on the zero. Scoot it to the left 5 times. And there we have a well-kerned text. Let me press F a couple of times. And there we have a well-kerned text. In the next episode, we'll be embossing the text. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on upcoming episodes.